to do a fun experiment. It is called table fan. These are the things you need. A motor, some velcro tape, a switch, 3 push pins, a battery, this thing that spins, the table fan base, and a circuit base. But if you don't have any of these, you can just order the Ultimate Electricity Kit. It will give you all these things. Well then, let's get started. Step 1. Take your circuit base and the table fan base. You can see a hole right here, right? Insert it right over here. There. Step 2. Take your motor and insert it right over here like this. This thing should be facing towards the battery. Step 3. Take your battery and some velcro tape. Take one of them and stick it here. One is this. Second is this. But remember, both of them should be different. This one is different, this one is different. On the marked space on the circuit board, place it over here. And then put your battery. Step 4. Take positive wire of the battery and the positive wire of the motor. Connect them together and take one push pin. And then pin it right over here. Step 5. Take the remaining 2 velcro tape, put one onto the switch, second one onto the marked space on the circuit base, and again connect together. There. And now we take the negative wire of the battery and connect it right over here with the switch. Take the second push pin and connect it with this side. There. Step 6. Take the thing that can spin. And you see this thing and this. Connect it together. And remember, it should be a little up so it can spin. Step 7. The magical part. You see the switch over here, right? Press on it. Ooh, it works. Round and round and round. And if you press it again, it stops. Just as a table fan.